You built the perfect prompt. You tested it twice. You deployed your shiny new AI agent for your biggest client, crossed your fingers, and went to sleep. Then you wake up to an angry email. The bot promised a Tuesday 2 p.m. appointment, but your calendar is empty. The client is waiting. Nobody shows up. A single hallucination just cost you an account. Most agencies deploy in hope. That's a terrible business model. You need DriftFindrAI. It's the watchdog that never blinks. It automatically audits every voice and text conversation your agents have. If your bot misses a greeting, makes a forbidden guarantee, or fails to book properly, DriftFindrAI flags it and alerts you instantly. You know in minutes, not days. Stop guessing what your AI is saying. Start knowing. Close your laptop. Your agents are being watched. Click the link to start your 7-day free trial of DriftFindrAI today.